Hello students, in this lecture we will study about multiplication of matrices. ठीक है? First of all, there is a condition. If this condition will be fulfilled by both the matrices, then only we can multiply them. Otherwise not. ठीक है? Now what is the condition? Suppose we are two matrices A and B, right? Now if we are to find the product AB, ठीक है? Keep this point in your mind that AB and BA here are not same. These are not same. These are different. These may be same, but these are not always same. ठीक है? So first of all, if we are to find the product AB, now for AB to exist, number of columns of A, number of columns of this matrix, that is preceding one, should be equal to number of rows of B. Clear? We are having two matrices A and B. We are to find the product AB. Then number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Then only we can find this product. Otherwise the product does not exist. Clear? For example, if we are having A as 1, 2, 2, 3, B 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? We are to find AB. Now, for AB, the number of columns of this A, that is 1, 2. Two columns are there. These should be equal to number of rows of B. Now number of rows are 2. So number of columns of A 2, which is same as that of number of rows of B. So AB is defined. Okay? AB is defined. Now what about BA? To find BA, now what about BA? Number of columns of this B. How many columns are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 columns are there. Okay? Number of rows of A. How many rows are there? 2 rows. B is having 3 columns. A is having 2 rows. So number of columns of this first matrix are not equal to number of columns of number of rows of second matrix. So BA is not defined. I hope it is clear to you. Now we are having A and B. A is this, B is this. We are to find AB and BA. Okay, now I am explaining you the algorithm that how to multiply the matrices. So listen carefully. We are to find AB. So AB, you will write like this: AB. Put the value of A, that is 1, 3, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 1. Then write B, 2, minus 1, 4, 3, 2, minus 5. Okay? Now, how to multiply it? This 1, you will pick each row one by one. Pick up this row. Okay? One row of the first matrix will be picked up and the column of the second matrix will be picked up. First row we have picked up, first column we have picked up. Right? Row of first matrix, column of second matrix. Now multiply the corresponding elements. Means first element of this row, first element of this column will be multiplied, that is 2. Second element of this row, second element of this column will be multiplied, that is minus 2 multiplied with minus 1, that is 2. Third element of this row will be multiplied with third element of this column, that is 3 into 4, 12. Then you will add these. Clear? One row is picked up from here, one column is picked up from here, corresponding elements are getting multiplied and the result is added. Okay? This will be the first entry of AB. Clear? Now what about second entry? Now, if we are picking up first row and first column, it will be first entry, means A11. Clear? Now, if I am going to find A12, A12 means first row and second column. So first row will be picked up from here and second column will be picked up from here. Means I'm going to find A12. So first row from here, but second column from here. First row and second column. You already know that row is written first and column is after that. So first row and second column. Okay. Now in the same way we will multiply these two. First element of this row, first element of this column will be multiplied 3. Second element of this row, second element of this column will be multiplied, that is minus 2 multiplied with 2 minus 4. 3 multiplied with minus 5 minus 15. Result will be added. Clear? So this is first row, second column, means first row, second column. It will be this A12 of AB. Okay? Now I am going to find suppose A21. ठीक है? A21 में क्या होगा? Second row, first column. Second row will be picked up from here. Remember, rows will be picked up of the first matrix and columns will be picked up from the second matrix. ठीक है? So second row means this row and first column means this column. In a similar way, we will multiply these. 3 2s are 6. 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 4 minus 4 means first element of this, second element of this with second element, third element of this with third element, result will be added. Okay? Now if we will take second row and a second column, it will be A22 means this entry. So 3 into 3 9, same way में चलेंगे. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 1. So this is the matrix and the final result is 16. It will be cancelled out 0 minus 16 and 18. I hope it is clear to you. Note it down. I hope you have noted down. Now, what I am going to tell you now about the order of this. Okay, we haven't talked about the order of the final result. Okay, that we are going to find. So, order of AB. What will be order of AB? Remember, two things which are to be remembered while multiplying of matrices is first, number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Okay. In AB, number of columns of A must be equal to number of rows of B. Okay, one thing to be remembered. Second thing about the order of AB. It is frequently asked question in the exam that A having this order, B having this order, what will be the order of AB? Or you'll be given the order of AB, your order of A, you might be asked about the order of B's or number of rows, means related to that, right? So it is important. Now keep in mind that A is having order. That is why I have explained the multiplication first and answer is in front of you so that you can understand easily, right? A is having order. What is the order of A? 2 rows are there and 3 columns are there. 2 cross 3. B is having order. 3 rows are there and 2 columns are there. Clear? Now look at here. You will definitely get the result yourself. What is the order? 2 cross 2. That means this 2 comes from here and this 2 comes from here. Means what will be the order of AB? Number of rows of A multiplied with number of columns of B. Means order में आपका वही sequence चलेगा. First matrix की क्या आ जाएंगी? Rows. और सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स की क्या आ जाएंगी? कॉलम्स. इसकी कितनी रोज थी? 2. इसके कितने कॉलम्स थे? 2. सो आंसर इज 2 क्रॉस 2. क्लियर? सो ऑर्डर ऑफ AB will be number of rows of A, number of columns of B. while multiplying you are to keep in mind that number of columns of A must be equal to number of rows of B, but in the answer you will get number of rows of A multiplied with number of columns. I hope it is clear to you. I hope you have noted down that. Now we will find BA. To find BA, substitute the value of B in the same way. Substitute the value of A. Now, firstly you will check that whether the condition is fulfilled or not. For BA, number of columns, that is 2, those must be equal to number of rows of A, 2. Both are same, so BA is defined. So we will multiply in the same way. We will take the row of first matrix, that is B, and column of second matrix. Okay, multiply the corresponding element, 2 into 1, 3 into 3, and the result will be added. It will be first entry. First row, first column means A11. Clear? Now, first row and second column. First row, second column. First row, second column means A12, means this entry will be written here. So, in the same way multiply, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into 2, 6. Clear? Now, first row and third column. First row and third column means A13, so it will be written here. 2 into 3, 6, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Clear? In the same way, second row and first column. Second row, first column means A21, so it will be written here. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 into 3, 6. First row, second row and second column. First entry will be multiplied with first entry, second entry will be multiplied with second entry. Clear? That is why. Now reason is clear, I think, to you, that why number of columns of this matrix must be equal to number of rows of second, because corresponding elements are getting multiplied. So if the number of columns means this of this matrix are not equal to number of rows, how can you multiply the corresponding element? Clear? So minus 1 is going to be multiplied with minus 2. 2 is going to multiply with 2. If there would be a row extra in this, so minus 1 के लिए तो ये हो गया, 2 के लिए ये हो गया, minus 1 कहाँ जाएगा? ठीक है, तो ये minus 1 के लिए हमारे पास इधर कोई कॉलम नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर एक और कॉलम होता फिर minus 1 मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ठीक है, सो ये रीजन था. Clear? So in the same way you can multiply each row and each corresponding column. ठीक है, I hope आप लोगों ने कर लिया होगा and this is the answer. Now here कर लिया होगा. Now we will talk about the order of BA. ठीक है, clearly order of BA is 3 cross 3 because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. And from here you can also find number of rows of B, that is 1, 2, 3, and number of columns of A, that is 1, 2, 3. So